Welcome back, class 9. Let's start the same topic. In the previous video, we completed vertebral column. Then after that comes ribs. Okay. Now here see, we need to understand that there are total 12 pairs of ribs. Okay. These ribs together with sternum and vertebral column forms a cage-like structure called the rib cage. The rib cage are responsible for protecting the internal organs such as heart and lungs. Then again next, there are about 7 pairs of ribs which emerges from the vertebral column and joins the breastbone, that is sternum. Okay, so that is why they are called as two ribs. Then if you talk about the 8th, 9th and 10th pair of ribs, they start from the vertebral column, but they do not get connected with the sternum. Instead of that, they get attached to the 7th pair of ribs with the help of cartilage called hyaline cartilage. Okay, so that is why 8th, 9th and 10th pairs of ribs, they are often referred to as false ribs. And then 11th and 12th pairs of ribs, they start from the vertebral column, but they do not join to any of the ribs or with the breastbone. They keeps on floating. Okay, so that is why those ribs, 11th and 12th pairs of ribs, they are often referred to as floating ribs. Okay, so this is about the ribs. Now next topic comes sternum, which is often referred to as breastbone. In case of hand, okay, this breastbone is boat shaped, but human being it is flat. Okay, so that is why it is mentioned that long flat, okay, mostly lying in the middle of front part of the chest. Okay, is what you call the sternum. Now again next, now we have completed axial skeleton. Now we need to start appendicular skeleton. So in appendicular skeleton, first we will discuss about the limbs. Okay, forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimbs means hand and hind limbs means legs. Okay, these forelimbs consist of total 30 bones. Okay, the bone in the upper arm, there is a single bone in the upper arm which we call as humerus. So the diagrammatic diagram I have drawn here. You can also note down, draw this diagram. Okay, later you may find little bit comfortable in learning all this name and all. Then again, a single bone is present on the upper arm. On the forearm, there are a pair of bone is present, namely radius and ulna. And then in the wrist region, okay, carpal is present. So here see, carpals is around 8 carpals are there. Then after that comes, in the palm region, about 5 metacarpals are present. The bones which are present, they are usually called metacarpals. And in the finger region, whichever the bones are present, they are called phalanges. Okay, about 14 phalanges are there in human hands. Okay, then comes the hind limbs. Hind limbs consist of bone like in the thigh region, single bone is present, single long bone which we call as femur. Okay, femur. Then again, in the lower leg region, okay, a pair of bone is present called tibia and ulna. And then in the knee region, okay, a single bone is present called patella. You can feel also in the knee region. Okay. Then again, after that, after patella, then comes tarsal. That is in the ankle region. There are about 7 tarsal bones are present, and in the sole region, okay, about 5 metatarsals are present, and in the finger part, the bones which are present, they are usually called phalanges. About 14 phalanges are present in this region. Okay, so total it makes how much? 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 plus 7 is 26. 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, 30 bones are there. 30. Okay, so this is about the forelimbs and hind limbs. In the next video, we will study about another type, that is girdles particularly. In this video, this much. Thank you.